Hey, it's Danielle with 4 Patriots, and I want to talk to you today about the HaloXT. Now, you might have seen our HaloXT unboxing video. If not, you should check that out. But what I didn't talk about in that video is one of the great features of our HaloXT. Now, it's a really cool flashlight. It's got this window breaker on it. It's got a seatbelt cutter. It's got this great magnet for holding it up. It's got this great solar panel for recharging the battery. But sometimes you don't want all those features. Say you're taking it on an airplane or you're throwing it in your backpack, and you might not want something like a window breaker in your backpack. So I'm going to show you real quick how to take those off. We'll start with that window breaker. All you need is a little wrench. We'll get on there. Just give it a little turn. And it unscrews right out. The same thing with the seatbelt cutter. It's just held in with 2 Phillips head screws. So we'll get out our screwdriver. There's 2. And pops right off. And now, in less than 20 seconds, I have my HaloXT ready for the airport, my backpack, any sort of travels. Super easy. Thanks for watching, Patriots. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and be sure to check out all our other videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.